Hi everybody, it is Kat with FilesAnywhere, and today I am back with another how-to video. In today's video, we're going to go over group shares. Now with a group share, it's a feature that you can use to share your folder or folders with FilesAnywhere users. And then by utilizing this feature, you can provide a role-based access to contents of entire folders with just a few clicks. All right, to get started with group shares, we're going to go ahead and log into our FilesAnywhere account. Do that by hitting our login button here. And that'll bring us into our account. Now with that, we're going to locate the folder that we were going to want to make a group share. We can right click on that and select group share from the drop down menu. And that'll bring up your group share settings window. Okay, from here, we're going to want to go ahead and select our users. You do that by clicking your user button right here. And then you'll select the users that you want to group share with. Then you're going to want to go ahead and save and close that. And that'll bring us to permissions. Now with permissions, we are going to pause for just a moment so we can go over what these do. All right, we're going to go over permissions. With the permissions, this will allow you to assign certain security access to your group share. For instance, when we select permission and we go to create an update will allow your user to add and modify data to the group share, but they will not be able to delete information. And then if we go down to full access, users can add, modify, and delete data with full access. Master access allows the users to add, modify, and delete data as well as share that group share with other users. Preview only allows the user to only preview the data, so they'll only be able to view it within the viewer on FilesAnywhere. Read only allows the user to preview and download the information, but they cannot modify or delete it. And then, of course, upload only allows them just to upload data. Okay, so once you select your permission, which we're going to do that, we're going to just give this one full access. We're also going to want to set our expiration. Now that expiration can be set to a custom date or to any of the pre-selected dates for you, or set to never. In this case, we're going to go ahead and use never expire. Now before we hit the add user or group, we will want to decide whether we want to notify the users. In this case, we will go ahead and notify the users. So we're going to select check mark here. And then we can select add user or group, and you'll see that they appear here. I didn't really want this one, so we're going to go ahead and select our work group. And then we can just remove that from the group share as well. And then at any time that we like, we can stop this share either right now or after we close. We can go back in to the group share and we could stop share here, and then it'll completely disappear. And what you'll see is our icon right here will change. You no longer see the shared icon. But then if I wanted to, I could come back in here and just real quick, we'll go through the steps one more time. This time we're going to make sure we just select our admin. We're going to give them full access. We're going to set to never expires. We're going to notify. And then we're going to add. We're going to go ahead and select close. And then you'll see that our shared icon has reappeared. All right, and that is the end of our video for today. If you have any other questions or you'd like to schedule a demo, you can get more information at filesanywhere.com, or you can contact us at 1-888-661-6565, and we can answer any questions. You have a wonderful day.